To paraphrase text using this tool, start by obtaining the article or writing you want to rephrase. Copy the text, which can be several thousand words, and then type, paraphrase the following, with a full stop after, following. Next, paste the copied text, ensuring there is a space between the first word and the full stop. The tool will then rephrase the text for you. If you need the paraphrased text to be a specific length, you can specify the word count. For example, paraphrase the following in 100 words. Type in the request, making sure to leave a space between the full stop and the first word, and the tool will generate the paraphrased text accordingly.